I'm here at the Estonian Museum of Natural History with Meriliis, who's a museum educator here. And she spent all afternoon showing me around. And now you're going to share an activity on making slime.
Yeah, it's really fun and easy, and you can learn much about it, about the solids and the fluids.
Excellent, thank you. So how are we going to make slime?
So we need the PVA glue. We have the white one, but you can also use the transparent one. Then we have a soda in this little white cup, and we also need the food coloring. Yeah, you can make whatever color you like, and we need the lens solution also. So,
and is the soda sodium bicarbonate, or is it like a kind of soda? Or something?
no, it's the regular soda that you use for cooking.
Okay, yeah, so like baking soda.
Yeah, baking soda. That's right.
Okay, perfect.
So, first let's take the glue. We need 6 tablespoons. Let's pour it in. You can actually take the cap off, then it's easier. So now when we have the glue here, we add 2 teaspoons of the soda, baking soda. So.
And was it like an overflowing heaping
No,
teaspoon?
more like even. Maybe a bit more. Yeah. So, and now you can choose the color. Let's add the 6 drops of the food coloring. It's really easy to make.
Now it's a shame we don't have a third person here to do it just plain white, and then we can do the French flag with the red, white, and blue.
Ooh, yeah, that would be interesting. So now we need to mix it all together really well. Oh, mine looks like a toothpaste. So does it look like a slime already?
Yeah, but it looks like it'll be very sticky if I touch it.
Yeah, so it's not ready yet. We need to add the activator, which we have here. So this is the lens solution, and it includes the boric acid. So that's what we need to get in here. Because the glue, it has the molecules that are really long and flexible. So we need to add something that will stick them together to get this rubbery feeling, and this is what this boric acid will do. So now we add the activator, the boric acid that is inside this lens fluid. So 20 drops. And then you mix it really well. You know what happens here?
It polymerizes.
What does that mean?
So the boric acid links together the different long chains of the PVA glue. So it's kind of like strands of spaghetti that are stuck together and they want to pull back against each other.
Yeah, that's right. And you might want to add some more drops. We added like around 20, and if it's getting to your hands, then you can add more. Just try it and figure out what's the best recipe for you. So what do you think? Is it fluid or a solid material?
I think it's behaving a little more like a solid, but it's got characteristics of both.
Yeah, that's right. It's actually non-Newtonian fluid. It means that it is actually a fluid, but it sometimes acts like a solid material, especially when you add some pressure. For example, the fluids, they don't bounce like this slime ball.
And I was telling you that there's a great video on non-Newtonian fluids that won the science video contest I run at my school the first year it was run. I'll send you a link to that, and I'll put a link to that in the description of this video.
Great.
Well, we could probably play with this all day, but that's
Yeah.
probably everything interesting we can learn from this, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, well, Excellent. Thanks again for sharing this with me and for showing me around the museum and everything. And thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos as I travel around the world asking everyone what their favorite experiment is.
Thank you.